Open houses, they don't sell homes. They just help your cookies disappear. Let's be honest. Most open houses are less about selling your home and more about giving your neighbors an excuse for some free cookies. Sure, it gets people in the door, but are they really buyers or are they just snack hunters? In this video, we'll break down why open houses aren't the magic solution and what actually brings serious offers for your home. So grab a cookie and stick around. You'll want to hear this before you do your open house. I am Jim Hood, Key Realty One in Kentucky and Key Realty in Ohio. Many homeowners believe that an open house is likely the key to getting a quick sale on their home. Well, to set the record straight, while open houses can help with exposure, they really are not the primary driver of home sales. Most buyers actually come from a home search online. 90% or better of home buyers start on the internet. Professional photography, online listings, virtual tours, floor plans attract more serious buyers than any 2-hour open house ever did. Also, showings that are scheduled through real estate agents are far more likely to bring qualified, ready-to-buy people than just folks who happen through the front door for an open house. Few homes actually directly sell from an open house, and there's safety concerns with folks, a lot of strangers who are not being escorted directly walking through your home. What really sells a home, number one, is correct pricing strategy based on market data. Strong presence on the internet, whether it's a multiple listing service or through third-party sites, great staging, curb appeal, professional photos, and a buyer agent doing the showings with pre-qualified buyers through your home. So what are the better alternatives to an open house? I do what's called an online open house, a 24/7, 365 online open house. And that includes things like a video walkthrough of the home, the interactive floor plans, the 360 photos that people can click on places in the floor plan to be able to go and turn the camera and look around the home, as well as an abundance of photographs. Now, the question is, are open houses really not worth it? Well, that's not necessarily the case. When a home is new on the market, sometimes an open house that very first day can create a backlog of interest of buyers that are interested in your home. The conclusion is, well, open houses, they're not as effective as they used to be prior to the days of the internet. They're not the magic bullet. Smart pricing strategy, strong online exposure, professional marketing sell homes faster and for more money than an open house does. Work with an experienced agent to create a complete marketing plan instead of relying on one outdated tactic. Jim Hood, Key Realty One in Kentucky, Key Realty in Ohio. Anytime you or someone you care about has a real estate question or need, I'm here for you. Take care. Have a great day.